Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start the vlog. I'm from Nepal. I live in Saudi Arabia before 4 year and half as a foreign employer coffee maker. So I think in this Saudi Arabia is very difficult our country than Saudi Arabia. So living time daily our schedule how we make the easy daily life, how we survive the daily life. Just I want to explore the blog, daily life, how we survive in Saudi Arabia. So this is in Saudi Arabia right now. Time afternoon 3:30. So my accommodation to workplace division time 20 minutes. That's why I have to come out early from accommodation. So a little bit I'm sick. I cannot talk the properly good voice, but I try. So this is my duration time. I have to go by cell. So now I going. So this is the Saudi Arabia real life. It's been our country and Saudi Arabia is weather is very difficult. Our country we have the more tree, we have the mountain. That's why we doesn't feel the hot. Even so, if we walking the way, we have the down, up, down, flat place, also mount. Altitude is different, but in Saudi Arabia it's just like flat. So we can feel it the more hot. I think before I come out, 43 is temperature. So this is I can feel good because before come outside I stay inside the AC, and that's why. So when the 1 hour more than 1 hour, we cannot walking, we cannot stay continue. We have to take lot. Must be break. Must be we cannot stay outside long time. Just half hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes is okay. So this is just summer. It's cannot stay the outside long time. We can stay, but we have to must be care about our thing. Must have more water. Then take the break. Go inside AC. Come outside. You sometimes go in the shadow. You can sit down. Then you can walking the continue. But without take any water, we don't rest take in the shadow. You don't take inside the room AC. I think it's not possible. That's why most of people is know about that one. So this is my way. Before 15 days, this way almost the grass is big, was green, but now all grass I said to before I'm walking day by day. I show you this video. Before everything is green in this ground, but now almost dry, almost dry, almost dry. This grass. So now it's weather change in Saudi Arabia, winter to summer. That's a little bit I sick. I have little bit fever. I not feel good. But actually yesterday I have off day. That's why even now I'm not good. So this is my real life survive in Saudi Arabia. I explored from my blog. People want to know in Saudi Arabia actually what we expectation, what we get reality. So that's why this is the reality. This is just I not I want to give the people the inspiration how to survive daily life. Just like it's hot, but you can survive. So there is, you have the many option how you be survive. So must be you have to follow the schedule just like that. Me just or just do continue when you all that time. Sometimes you headache, sometimes you have sick, but you just give the continue. Even though why I telling you this one because 4 year and half I don't go Nepal. I will continue inside Saudi Arabia even without go Nepal vacation. That's why even now I am happy. Even now I have daily life survive. I do continue. So people, if I can, people why don't can. That's why this is just for I think this 4 year and half duration time. I meet the many countries, the people, but no one doesn't satisfy, doesn't know about how to survive the daily life. That's why uh, this is the too hot now. Now it's 43 temperature outside. I came out. I think 15 minutes left, but still now it's my body is cool. Little bit is hot. So yesterday night I saw in the video highway road the this way. So that way also good way, but there is more sound in the car. That's why I don't go this way. I found a separate way. I like this way. This way peaceful. It's no more sound, no more disturbing. I can walk peaceful, alone. No one disturb to me. No one disturb coming in the video. So why I am making the English language? Because this is not for Nepali people. This is for all the country. Oh, you want to come Saudi Arabia, want to know in Saudi Arabia. So I have to talk the English because in Saudi Arabia from many countries come to employ foreign employer. That's why many people can take from my this video advice, then can take the inspiration, then he can learn from my this video how to survive the daily life. Because in Saudi Arabia is very difficult country. When you come, it means like just like you have to buy yourself to cook, you have to buy yourself care about yourself, you have to buy yourself your own, you have to buy yourself everything with the you responsible. That's why people think the alone, people think overthink. That's why people doesn't no one is guide, no one is care about any people. That's why I start the blog because many people I meet, then I ask and I communicated with her person, but no one doesn't satisfy in Saudi Arabia daily life how survive. So I think today I have to close my camera because my blog just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So this is my daily blog, how we survive the daily life. Just like this, people think I think this is normal, but we have to program want to know in Saudi Arabia in my actually expectation versus reality. That guy have the value well for my this video, but not for all person. The cannot enjoy the all person. Just who in the younger then he survived Saudi Arabia. Want to come Saudi Arabia. We have the problem in Saudi Arabia daily life. How survive doesn't know. That guy take lot of information, inspiration, but not for all guys. So I have to now close my camera. Time to finish.